The 2025 Cadillac Escalade has undergone a remarkable transformation, blending cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and unparalleled luxury to redefine the full-size SUV experience. Here's an in-depth exploration of what sets the 2025 Escalade apart. Performance and powertrain standard engine. The base model is equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 engine delivering 420 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This combination ensures a seamless driving experience, offering both rear-wheel drive (RWD) and all-wheel drive (AWD) configurations to suit various driving preferences.